What up, everybody? It's your boy, Grind Time Vids. Little crypto news you can use, man. Market looking a little. It's looking like Christmas. Got a little green and red. I don't know what's going on with all that. Let's look at some news. I don't know. EOS, hey, you got some of that. You're happy right now. I'm sure you bought it higher than that, like I did. Anyway, market looking decent. Bitcoin still a little down, but it's just a little bit. We'll get it back. U.S. government opens criminal probe into Bitcoin price manipulation, something we already considered, we already thought might be happening. The United States Justice Department has reportedly opened a criminal investigation into possible market manipulation of prices of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, by traders. Citing sources familiar with the probe, Bloomberg is reporting that the DOJ is working alongside the Commodities and Futures Trading Commission, the market's regulator, quote unquote, to focus on illegal trading activities in crypto markets, narrowing on spoofing, a form of market manipulation wherein traders enter a flurry of false orders to deceive other market participants into buying, selling, as well as wash trading, wherein traders sells and buys with themselves to purport heightened market activity in order to show confidence among other investors and lure them into the market. Well, I guess anything's possible. A lot of people trying to get rich quick out here. A lot of selling going on, and I don't really see where they could be doing that. I guess in little spots like this, it looks kind of sketchy, but I'm not sure. Something to keep an eye on. Cryptocurrency and the allure of a cashless cannabis industry for my smokers out there. The legal marijuana industry in the United States is awash in cash, literally, with reports that cannabis businesses generated almost 61 million in tax revenue for California in just the first quarter. That's almost a quarter billion annually. That's amazing. It's important to remember that the money moving through the marijuana financial system is almost 100% in cash. Why? Most banks won't touch money from legal marijuana businesses because cannabis remains a Schedule One illegal drug at the federal level, meaning banks, in the strictest sense, risk committing crime providing the industry ordinary commercial banking services. That leaves marijuana entrepreneurs working in a cash only world. Well, where does crypto come in? Crypto companies using blockchain technology are hoping to step into the gap. At the recent CoinDesk consensus, last week, 2018 conference, many companies touted blockchain and cryptocurrency as a potential cure for the marijuana industry's financial headache. The conference attracted thousands, more than 17 million in ticket sales were made for the event. Hey, CoinDesk made out good. Um, Blockchain provides a transparent, secure digital transaction record that can be accessed by all users. So, where's cannabis coming in? Cannabis social media hub Massroots is now transitioning to a marijuana-focused software company, tying blockchain to its marijuana point of sale tracking business, Massroots Retail. Alt 36, which uses the cryptocurrency Dash, has partnered with cannabis software company WebJoint to provide access to its digital transaction system for the marijuana related businesses, web joint services in California. Software company Greenstream is building a blockchain based supply chain system for the cannabis industry that could be accessed by retailers, suppliers, and regulators. I don't need to keep reading. Y'all already know where this is going. People are looking at their businesses and seeing how they can utilize the hot new technology. Blockchain is hot right now. Everybody's trying to get a piece. Everybody's trying to get a little before it booms off. So the cannabis industry is no exception. They only listed California's tax revenue, but I know for sure that Colorado, Washington, Maine, all these places are getting millions upon millions in just cash. So somebody got something in the mattress or in their wall somewhere. So if you don't want to get robbed, what's the safest place for your money? It's the bank. But if the bank don't want it, why not put it in some crypto? And maybe you can gain a little money on the side. But of course, you also stand to lose some. So one more thing to look out for. There's a lot there. Argentinian bank drops out of Swift. Swift's been in the news a lot lately. Favors Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Of course. Of course. Not gonna read this whole thing, but you don't need to read it. It's self-explanatory in the title. They want to make their money more liquid. Swift takes 5 days. 5 days minimum to get your money where it needs to go. What's the point of it? Didn't we just see Ashton yesterday? Ripple. It was there. As soon as Ellen hit the button, it was there. 4 million. So all your little small transactions, it's not gonna take that long. It's gonna be basically immediate. So Swift network on the outside looking in, man. The Swift network, which is utilized by the world's biggest banks and financial institutions, is essentially a messaging network that enables banks to share information, but it has to be verified manually. That's not good. It's not gonna work out. I mean, I guess technically, if you are a minor, you're not exactly manually verifying, but you set up the stuff so it kind of is manual. But really, any crypto that has financial transactions going back and forth, it's basically automatic. All the computers are checking it out. So, I mean, unless you got Verge. And this is something I really wanted to take a look at. India eyes 18% tax on cryptocurrency trading. The situation for cryptocurrency traders and investors has become slightly less rosy in India, following reports that these digital assets could soon be classed as intangible assets. According to a Bloomberg Quint report, an 18% tax is being examined on all cryptocurrency trading by the Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs. There are considerable implications for such a move, which would effectively mean that all crypto traders would be taxed and that cryptocurrency miners would effectively be losing 18% of their income. The tax would be applied retrospectively all the way back to July 1, 2017. So a lot of people will be losing a lot of money. In India, cryptocurrency mining is also deemed as a service supply, with the coins mined also classified as property. Additionally, if the rewards exceed 30,000, the miner will have to register under GST. I don't know what GST is. Mining rewards are currently at the 100,000 mark, but these also depend on market value. Wow. This is the paragraph right here. There has been a considerable legal crackdown on cryptocurrencies in India in recent months. This has been challenged by Ahmedabad, Ahmedabad, I don't know, based exchange Coin Recoil, which argued that the Indian constitution provides for citizens to engage in any occupation, trade, or business. This legal motion highlights the fact that the Reserve Bank of India has not come up with sufficiently strong for the cryptocurrency crackdown and is required by law to justify the ban. So this, literally right here, this number should scare the hell out of everybody. I think it should be half that at the most. But if this flies in India, guess where it's coming next? Somebody in America wants that cash. 18% all the way back to last year. So we're including the biggest boom in the history of cryptocurrency in this. So anybody that was mining and made big gains around December all the way through mid-January, like most people that were in at the time did make huge gains. Hopefully you got out. They're trying to take your money in India specifically. So anybody in India that's listening to this, um, man, keep that over there. I'm not trying to deal with that. Um, man, keep an eye out on India. I'm gonna be watching for sure to see if it's specific coins, if it's all coins, if it's specific markets, specific trading platforms. If it's the whole market in India, best believe South Korea, Japan, China, US, Canada, South America, they're gonna be looking at this. This is the first I've heard of a real tax percentage being named by a country. So keep your eyes and ears open as always. This is Grind Time Vids, signing out.